So it's like 5:45. I got up like a half hour ago. Going to a Rubik's Cube competition. Going to carpool with Henry now. It's too early. Right, CJ? It's been a while since I've worn my Team USA jacket.
USA! USA! USA!
I've never met Henry's cats before. Alright, we're going to the comp. Kavin's here, Henry's here, I'm here. Anything you guys want to say?
Hi.
Henry says hi. Did you have a bagel this morning?
I wish I had a bagel, in fact.
He didn't have a bagel this morning. I just realized we're like a really diverse group of cubers in this car. We got a ZZ user, a CFOP user, and a RU user. Alright, so we're here at the school where the comp is supposed to be, but we can't find it. It's probably in one of these buildings. I don't think Nathan's here yet. Spelled my name wrong, but still, all mud kips. Mud kips. Come on, Christian, how do you spell that correctly, but not my last name? You. Damn it. All right, so I'm not gonna make second round of anything today, and that's okay. It's really not okay. I'm going home. Bye. This is great. I just get to relax for the rest of the comp and scramble cubes. This is great, right? Right, Nathan? Right, Nathan? Who totally didn't beat me at one-handed?
I know.
Wait, Nathan. The goal is to get the highest time possible, right?
Yeah.
All right, I think I
you won
Yeah.
with like a 35.
Yeah, that was
and a
not-
DNF.
Yeah, that's basically infinite
Yeah,
points.
yeah. So you win.
All right, great.
Yeah. I'm not singing.
Come on, at least get into the beat.
I can't do something more. Dittos, but he didn't get it.
I got 6 mud kips. It's time for FMC Everett. Sorry. So I may have just won FMC with a 38, which would be ridiculous. Okay, so I didn't win, but I got second, which is all right. You know, Shane Gadrogan beat me. All right, so I'm just hanging out here at the comp. No one seems to have recognized me, I don't think. I mean, I'm just, oh, where did you come from? He wanted me to shoot a video, so I guess I have to now. That's the law, right?
Go, Kelly!
The amount of judge errors and stuff at this comp is kind of ridiculous. We had to give out like 30 extra scrambles or something. It's not 30, but still a lot. Poor guy all the way over there on his own. Henry looked bored, so we told them to run 3 cubes to him at once.
You can take
It's our worst fear. Wait, where are they? 2x2 scrambles. All right, so 3x3 round 2. I did okay. Started off with a 10 solve, just like round 1, and then it kind of went downhill from there. I got a 15 and then 3 14s, which you know is what I'd like to get OH sometime, but for now, it's okay. I used a ZBLL on the second solve. All good there. All right, so while the final round of 2x2 is going on over there, I'm cleaning stuff up. All right, play Flight of the Bumblebee.
I made it to the final.
Scrambling for finals.
Did he just get another counting 7?
Second place at Fierce Moves with the result of 38 moves. Andrew Nathanson.
And Fierce colors in his pockets, am I right?
I didn't get the name wrong this time because I didn't write it down.
For dullest pockets.
First place, Shane Grogan. 36 moves.
69.
Now for Skew.
We totally don't look weird in this restaurant at all. I actually hate it a lot. I had no problems whatsoever.
So on the way back, we're trying to figure out a viable hexagonal Francisco method.
Alright guys, so I have a great cubing story to tell you from that comp, but I'm really tired right now, so I just want to go to bed, and I'm probably going to save it for a main channel video, because it's pretty funny. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to go to bed now, and I can't wait to tell you that story sometime later. Also going to talk about procrastination. Tomorrow, I promise tomorrow, okay.
What'd you win? What'd you win? What'd you win? What'd you win? Oh, lame.